Did you know that Hyundai Pay gives you the ability to reserve and pay for parking using the touchscreen of your compatible Hyundai? To use it, you must first have an active Bluelink account and have your Hyundai Pay account set up as well. Be sure to watch the Hyundai Pay setup video to learn how to do so. Once your Hyundai Pay account is set up, be sure to have added parking under linked merchants. Now let's reserve a parking space. To reserve a parking space at a destination, first enter the destination area, then select Search near POI, and then Parking. The map will show a full list of parking lots. To narrow it down to only ones that use Hyundai Pay, select the filter icon at the top. Then select Hyundai Pay, and then press the back arrow. The list will repopulate to show only those lots where you can use Hyundai Pay. Select the desired lot, and then select the information icon. If you wish to reserve a space in this lot, select the Hyundai Pay icon. Set the date and start time for the parking reservation. Followed by how long you'd like to park. The lot will show the available options for parking reservations. Choose the best option and then press OK. Check to make sure everything is correct. If you need to change something, select the area to change. Once everything is correct, press Pay. Enter your My Hyundai with Bluelink PIN to complete the transaction. You're all set. Now you can set the parking lot as destination and head that way. Your reservation is stored in the My Hyundai app, along with the pass number and, if applicable, QR code that can be used to enter the lot. And if you need to cancel the reservation, you can do so at the bottom of the screen. For more information on using Hyundai Pay to pay for fueling, charging, and more, be sure to watch the rest of the Hyundai Pay videos at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.